Still working on the bill. Just got the package in from who? Jet. Six. All right, unhooking the throttle body first. You gotta see how to get up in that thing. Had to put a flathead right behind it and pick up on that tab. Then I'm gonna bring it back and get the rear fuel injector right there. Pull it off. And we're gonna tap that into the yellow wires. All right, first one out. Yellow lead in. Got the other yellow one already in there. To the rear injector, can't see what's in there. I routed, tap my ground in. All right, unplugging my front cylinder. Tapping the front cylinder into the orange leads. All right, orange lead is now tapped in there. All right, now I gotta fetch the crank position sensor. It's in there, right there, blue and yellow, zip tied to something. All right, that's the crank position sensor, blue and yellow. I'm gonna hook that up to my brown leads here. You know how that one hand work. Try to do it one hand, don't work too well. Man, it took a while getting that brown lead and held to the inside, man. Trying to squeeze my hand in there. Took a while. All right. On my way to the ignition core. I think that's the one I need right there. I don't see no other wires going to it, but that. Pull it out, see if it fit. All right, I'm on the right side of the bike. All right, got that in there. Come on back, girl. Walk it out. Walk it out. Yo, DJ Unc said, he said, walk it out. That's what I did, I walked that thing out. Shit, boy. And I'm gonna hook the brown, well, them blue and green leads up to it. And it's secured in a right side. And lastly, hooking my gray leads up to the throttle body and back to the throttle body. Complete.